Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making scalloped potato. Ooh, it's one of the dishes I use for Thanksgiving every year, and it may be your new addition. I'm going to show how I do it. Let's get to it. So for this recipe, guys, I'm going to need some butter. I have two types of potato here, but you can use, typically they use the russet potato, but I also have some Yukon Gold, so I decided to use it. Next, anytime I'm making a creamy dish, I like to add mustard. So here I have some yellow mustard and some onion. I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some grated garlic. Here I have a cheese mixture of Gouda and cheddar. You could use whichever one you like. I have also some chicken stock. And this is my secret ingredient. I have some ranch seasoning that I like to add on there. Some heavy cream for calorie count. If you're low on your calorie, use whole milk or carnation milk. And some baking slices. I don't recommend using any more than 5. And that trick that I learned a while ago is to start cooking your bacon on a cold pan. That way your bacon doesn't shrivel up. It cooks straight up. It doesn't shrivel up at all. Once you line your bacon on your pan, you turn on your stove, and then it starts cooking. Start cooking it. And once they start to get brown, you flip them over. And here is the bacon, and when it's all done cooking. For my potato, I have a mandolin here that I'm going to slice them. You can do this with your knife if you don't have this. And if you have this, please watch your fingers. These things are dangerous. This is the size I like to use. I would say maybe a 1/4 of an inch. And these are my potatoes I'm going to soak in some cold water and rinse them out and pat them dry. For the sauce, I'm going to need some butter. Once my butter is all melted, then I will add my grated garlic. Once my garlic gets aromatic, I'm going to then add my heavy cream. To my cream, I'm going to mix my cream and my garlic. I add in my mustard. Mix, mix, mix. Then I'm going to add my seasoning, my garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Next, I add my ranch seasoning. Be careful with that so it doesn't clump. Mix it well. I add my cheese next. After I add my cheese, I'm going to consistently stir it and I'm going to lower my heat until the sauce thickens. Once your sauce gets a little thicker, by now it's kind of sticking to the pan, sticking to your spoon. It's ready. You can remove it from the heat. I have my bacon that I have cut up in smaller pieces, and I'm going to put everything together. To my bacon dish, I'm going to add some of the cream sauce on the bottom. Now I will layer my potatoes. I then will add a layer of onion. You could use as much or as little as you like. And then a layer of bacon. and then more sauce, more of the cream sauce, and more potatoes. And now I'm going to repeat the process until I run out of potatoes. For my last layer, I simply put the rest of my cream sauce on top and some bacon as well on top. And I'm going to cover this with foil, and this goes into the oven for 350 or for an hour and 15 minutes, and then uncover until it's golden on top. And this is it. This is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. It was absolutely delicious. You will need this for your next Thanksgiving. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and don't hesitate to check out my other videos on my channel.